is one of the largest factors that leads to success. Any person that's got success in the past has an element of luck in their success. However, luck doesn't exist. Luck is just consistency and opportunity, and opportunity is created via consistency. Do you understand? If you consistently throw shit at the wall for 5 years, something will stick. If you consistently shoot shots on target every single day of your life until the day you die, something will hit. The luck law of consistency states that you can force the hand of Lady Luck by being brutally consistent. And that's what I'm going to teach you in this video. I'm going to teach you how to be so consistent that you get success irregardless, irrefutably, because you do the things you say you're going to do over a long period of time that allows luck and opportunity and success to seep in, because you're forcing the hand of luck by being this consistent. And the first step is to make it easy. What's easy to do gets done. It's as simple as that. The brain is wired evolutionarily to choose the path of least resistance. So if it's difficult to do the task that you need to do, you will not get it done. If your laptop's in a different room, if your laptop's dead, if your files are hidden in your computer, and you have to go through a plethora of your downloads to actually find the thing you need, you're not going to get it done. If your camera doesn't stay in the same location every single time you record, that little bit of friction of you setting up, finding the angle, etc. is going to make you procrastinate. It's going to make you less productive. It's going to make the work harder to complete, and therefore you won't do it as much. Find the tasks you consistently do, write them down, analyze, brainstorm, be autistic in finding the ways to make them easier to complete, to make the work easier to get into. Because if the barrier is high, procrastination will rise. If it's hard to do, you won't get it done. It's such a simple truth to consistency. The work needs to be easy to get into. The second step is to obviously have some sort of goal. Yeah, you can shoot shots, but if you haven't got a target that you're trying to hit, you likely won't get there. And I'm not on about some wishy-washy, hey, I want £10,000 a month. I'm on about an input goal that will lead to the output. Right? So I don't personally track metrics such as subscribers or money in my bank account. I track the metrics of my inputs. Did I post 3 long form videos every single week this month? If I did, my goal's hit. Did I post 2 short form every single day this month? Did I do this? Did I do the other? Did I do the work I set myself every single day? Then the goal's hit. Do you see what I mean? I'm tracking the metrics rather than the outcome, because the outcome only comes from the metrics. And I'm not saying don't include it. Of course, have that 5-year goal, the financial, the wealth, the health, the family, the social, etc. But also track the inputs, because that's what's going to lead to the outputs. And finally, have someone to hold you accountable, whether it be your friends, your family, anyone. You need someone there. The times you wake up on time is because you have someone waiting for you. You've told your friend you'll be at the gym at 8 o'clock in the morning, so you have to be there. You have someone waiting on you. You have responsibility to do the thing you said you're going to do. So if you have someone, hey, we're going to work at this time on a call. Hop on a call at 6 o'clock. We're going to bang out 2 hours of productive work. We're going to hold each other accountable. So if you're on the call, you're sat scrolling on your phone, you can have someone there to steer you back towards productivity and actually doing the work you're setting yourself. And you're in luck, because I'm giving you that opportunity. The top link in the description will take you to my new school community. It's $1 a day to keep the procrastination away. I'll be holding you accountable. I'll be working with you one-to-one. There'll be other killers in there getting productive, getting results, and getting progress towards their goals by being consistent. And I'll give you everything you need. Templates, trackers, tools, strategies, everything that I've learned across the 2 years, thousands of hours of learning, implementing and testing productivity strategies to find what works, I'm now giving to you. And if you're interested, you can sign up using the top link in the description. But I hope this video helped you, and I look forward to seeing you at the top of success.